Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rogue Prince of Persia on your device. And once you continue to play from wherever you last left off, if you wish to change the in-game language, then in order to do so, just press the escape button on your keyboard or the start button on your joystick to pause the game. Now from the pause menu, click on options. And then within the options page, you will need to click on the last option at the top right corner, which is the language menu. Once you click on this, you can then use the slider to cycle between the various different languages that are available. Once you have found your desired language, just press the escape button to save your changes and then make sure to confirm it. And now you can continue playing your game with your chosen language, and you can change it at any point of time in the future once again by following the same steps, going into the options menu and the far right option at the top. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.